NordFX is a multi-asset broker operating since 2008. You can trade different instruments from one account. In this video, we will explain how trading in financial markets works, how to open an account, make a deposit, and start trading. But before we show you what trading with NordFX looks like in 2026, let's look at why traders choose NordFX. Zero spreads, fast execution, leverage, and negative balance protection are all important. But what matters more is stability. Traders want to be sure that their platform will work, their orders will be executed, and their withdrawals will be processed when they need them. That's why NordFX focuses on what traders actually need: flexible account conditions, reliable platform access, and automatic crypto withdrawals. NordFX provides access to trading through MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Both are well-known platforms with proven reliability. MetaTrader 5 is more advanced and is often considered the best choice for active traders. There are 4 account types. The main difference between Pro and Zero accounts is in the commission structure. Pro accounts have no commission and slightly higher spreads, while Zero accounts offer minimal spreads with a small commission per trade. MT5 accounts also earn 3.8% annual interest on free margin. Your capital works even when you're not trading. Opening your NordFX personal area takes just a few minutes. Complete the registration form, verify your email, and log in. If you want to practice risk-free, open a demo account first. Just follow the instructions to set it up. The same applies to a real account. Choose your platform, select an account type, and follow the instructions to open your account. We also recommend completing verification to get full access to all features in the personal area. Deposits and withdrawals are also managed through the personal area. Here you can view your transaction history, manage your accounts, and access the loyalty program. If you're not ready to trade on your own, you can try social trading. Choose a strategy provider and copy their trades automatically. Your funds remain in your own account, while trades are executed on your behalf according to the selected strategy. Once you have opened a trading account and deposited funds, you need a trading terminal to start trading. Choose one according to your account type. You can download it for desktop or mobile, or use the MT5 web terminal. What trading instruments are popular among NordFX traders? Gold is one of the most popular choices. NordFX offers excellent conditions for gold trading. Zero spread on Zero accounts and a commission of just 0.00175% per side. Crypto trading is also popular because of leverage. For example, leverage allows traders to control larger Bitcoin positions with less capital. In other words, you don't need to pay the full value of the position up front. This allows traders to participate in the crypto market with significantly less capital. Oil has also become very popular recently due to ongoing tensions in the Middle East. Volatility creates opportunities for trading. Traders can profit from both rising and falling prices. You can open short-term positions or keep trades open for a longer time, depending on your trading style. Check the NordFX Learning Center. Here, you can find many useful articles and videos about trading, not only for beginners but also for advanced traders. If you have any questions, you can contact the support team via live chat on the website or by submitting a ticket. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like this video.